Hello, welcome to the Metals Daily News brought to you by Metals Update, the driving force behind your business. I am Neha Kamble from the Mumbai office on 9th of June 2017. India has become a bright spot in global steel production growth on account of the government's push to augment capacity by upgrading existing steel mills and demand from the construction and automotive sectors. It is forecasted that India's steel output will grow from 88.4 million tons in 2017 to 128.6 million tons in 2021. And India's share of global steel production will accelerate from 5.4% in 2017 to 7.7% in 2021. According to International Lead and Zinc Study Group, Spring 2017 forecast report, the global demand for refined zinc metal is expected to increase 2.6% to 14.30 million tons in 2017. The overall demand is expected to increase by 0.7% as demand is increased in Belgium, Italy and Russian Federation. The study group's forecast for calendar year 2017 suggests a deficit in refined zinc metal market and is likely to increase to around 2,26,000 tons compared to a deficit of 1,96,000 tons in calendar year 2016. The refined zinc market has been in deficit in 2013-14 and 2016. The world zinc mine production is expected to grow by 6.7% to 13.7 million tons this year after experiencing a decline of 5.5% last year. The production is expected to increase as the zinc output at Hindustan Zinc Rampura Agucha operation in India, which is currently the largest zinc mine in the world, is likely to increase after the mine went into maintenance work last year and has resumed the operation this year. Currently, the LME zinc stocks are showing a declining trend and have decreased by 24% as compared to 1st Jan 2017. Also, the stocks at SHFE have decreased from 2 lakh ton to 75,001 ton in the period from the March to 2nd of June. Thus, it is expected that big local producers are likely to go into maintenance downtime and the zinc stocks will be imported. The imports would mainly come from the pre-existing stocks at warehouses as premium has increased by a little over 40% in the last 2 weeks. The LME 3-month zinc price was registered at $2,467 per ton, up by 0.86% as compared to prices on Wednesday. Zambia and China are in an ugly diplomatic row after the Zambian police official arrested 31 Chinese citizens on suspicion of illegal copper mining in the country. China has been investing vast sums in the Zambia's copper mining industry for over a decade now. As per reports, bilateral trade between China and Zambia, mainly involving Zambian exports of copper to China, has grown from just $100 million in 2000 to $4 billion in 2016. Metals Update assessed offers this afternoon of MS scrap from Mandi Gobindgarh market at Rs 19,900 per ton, while fresh scrap is being offered at Rs 22,400 per ton. Offers of MS ingots at Mandi Gobindgarh are currently quoted at Rs 27,400 per ton, while at Ludhiana and Muzaffarnagar the offers have been recorded at Rs 27,700 and Rs 26,400 per ton respectively. It is expected that stockists will not be purchasing fresh stock until the implementation of GST, which could cause prices to remain range bound. In international offers, the US origin scrap HMS 1 and 2 is being offered at $280 per ton CIF India. The stainless steel 304 of Dubai origin is being offered at $1,220 CIF India. Chinese origin aluminium scrap 6063 is being offered at $1,700 per ton CIF China. Metals Update has launched Metals Update Exchange application where buying and selling of metals have been made simple. The application is available for download on both the Play Store and the App Store. Thank you for listening. Do join me again next week for the latest updates from the metals market. Visit metalsupdate.com for more information and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.